Last day we did under as a preposition. Today we are doing below, beneath and underneath as prepositions. Let's see first when below is used. Below is used when one is under the other one. Something is under something but on the same surface, on the same level. Now suppose if I say the tool is below the switchboard. So that means the tool is kept under the switchboard, but since they are attached, close or very near the switchboard or the wall, so naturally it becomes below. Let's see one example. See here, the tool is below the switchboard. They are very close to the wall. One is attached to the wall. Another one is very close to the wall, nearly touching the wall. So it is below. When we say that something is below something, we have to remember they are on the same surface, one under the other. Okay? Let's take another example. See, the chairs are below the blackboard. Okay, here the chairs are attached to the blackboard, not attached permanently, but they are hanging onto the blackboard and the blackboard is hanging on the wall and they are just one below the other. In case of this condition, we say the chairs are under one another. We can say the second chair is under the first one because there is something solid over it. We can also use beneath for under. In case of under, we can use beneath also. Alright? So you have seen that one thing under another but on the same level, on the same surface can only be below. Okay? Then we can also have another example. It says about temperature. The temperature is below 0 degree. When we say about temperature which is downwards, which is under, much below something, so we don't use under. We use below as for the degree, for the number. So the temperature is below 0 degree. And often in your question papers you have read the instructions given below carefully. So you know that it is on the same page wherein the question paper is given. So the instruction below is actually referring to the questions that are given on the same question paper. Okay, in these cases we use below. When it is just one under the other, it is on the same surface, it is in the same condition, then only we say below. একবার বাংলায় বলে নি, আমরা below কখন ব্যবহার করি? যখন একই সারফেসে দেয়াল বলো বা একটা ব্ল্যাকবোর্ড বলো বা একটা হোয়াইট বোর্ড বলো বা একটা আর্ট পেপার বলো, একটার ঠিক তলায় যদি আরেকটা থাকে তাহলে আমরা সেটাকে বিলো বলবো। যেমন আমি আগে দেখালাম দ্য টুল ইজ বিলো দ্য সুইচ বোর্ড। তাহলে দুটোই দেয়ালের সঙ্গে অ্যাটাচড আছে, একটা খুব কাছে, একটা দেয়ালে হ্যাং করছে, তো দেয়ালে লাগানো আছে, তাহলে সেটাকে আমরা বলবো দ্য টুল ইজ বিলো দ্য সুইচ বোর্ড। আরেকটা এক্সাম্পল আমরা দেখলাম চেয়ার্স আর বিলো দ্য ব্ল্যাকবোর্ড। তো চেয়ার্সগুলো দেয়ালের সঙ্গে একদম সাঁটানো আছে, সো দ্য চেয়ার্স আর বিলো দ্য ব্ল্যাকবোর্ড। এই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা কিন্তু বিলো ইউজ করব, আন্ডার ইউজ করব না। ঠিক আছে? তোমাদের কোয়েশ্চেন পেপারে অনেক সময় থাকে রিড দ্য ইনস্ট্রাকশনস গিভেন বিলো। তার মানে একই কোয়েশ্চেন পেপারে তোমার ওপরে রয়েছে ইনস্ট্রাকশন, তার নিচে রয়েছে প্রশ্নগুলো, সো দ্যাট ইজ বিলো। ওকে, এইসব ক্ষেত্রে আমরা বিলো ব্যবহার করব। ওকে, নেক্সট লেট আস গো টু বিনিথ। বিনিথ কখন কখন আমরা ইউজ করি? নেক্সট লেট আস সি বিনিথ। Beneath is usually used when one thing is touching another. This is also used in case of under, but beneath is covering the whole thing. Like we can see here, see this one, the red book is beneath the yellow one, or you can say the yellow book is beneath the basket. That is, they are touching one another and they are quite visible. You can say that the keys are beneath the pillow. The book is kept beneath the pillow. Anything that is touching one another and you are able to cover up that second substance or the second thing, that is called beneath. Okay? And underneath. When do we use underneath? Underneath is exactly like under only. Underneath is a bit more formal and it is more sophisticated. You can use under also, but underneath only to show that the sentence is a bit more formal and sophisticated. Okay, you can say like she considers every one underneath her. Now here underneath is something that is, she considers others as under her, in position. Okay, so beneath is something that is in one level and underneath is something that may not be in one level, but it is under something and it is covered with something. So here are the things wherein we use under, below, beneath and underneath. Okay, that's all for today.